Thank you, listeners. We're back with you on the hotline. 876-926-2178, 926-8631, 926-7615, 888-991-2080. I'm seeing a story that the PNP has released its full list of candidates, which is expected based on all that has been happening. Let's find that for you. All right, let me come to 2178 first.
Yes, Mrs. Shields.
Morning.
Yes, the man from Plowden here.
Man from Plowden, how are you?
Indeed.
Have you been getting some rain?
The settlement of an argument.
Yes.
We noticed that you got Mr. Man from Met Office there, but you never deal with it properly. You know, the people in Plowden thought you'd have gone much deeper earlier this week.
When did I get him?
Earlier this week, Mr. Thompson from the Met Office.
Who had him on?
You spoke to him recently.
Me?
Yeah, man.
No. I didn't have Evan Thompson.
Well, it's a different hotline. What's what they were saying? Anyway, the argument that we need settlement to hear in Cloud. You see, like all the election coming up.
Yes.
And what they ask the people here in Cloud are asking, if provisions are there or if provisions can be made for persons who have to be off the island, if any, the police vote the day before election day.
Mm-hmm.
If such an arrangement can be made for persons who are off the island on business of Jamaica, they are representing Jamaica probably in an ambassadorial or some diplomatic mission or in sports, but you are off the island, but you are representing Jamaica.
No. There are no arrangements that can be made.
That can be made, or there is no arrangement that are possible that has been made.
I'm pulling up the Representation of the People Act because that speaks to the voting when...
But that would be a shortcoming if there is really no provision, because if you are representing Jamaica, I think Jamaica should really make some provision for you.
Like what you think?
Perhaps you could vote on perhaps electronic voting or something.
Yes, well, that would have to take an amendment of the law.
Oh, yeah. That much.
Yes, so the law as is, we have special categories of people who vote the day before election.
Yes, the security forces
and election day workers as well. Right, but all of that happens because that's what the law provides. We don't have voting by ballot. There are some countries where you have mail-in ballot. We don't have that, and there are, I suppose, because of where we're coming from. But and also the law didn't have it because where we're coming from before the Electoral Commission of Jamaica was monitoring the elections, and we have the confidence we do know. We came from a history where things could happen in the ballot box. So at the time when this law was passed, which is so long ago, even though it has been amended, we didn't move to make this change because we sort of settling things locally at the moment. It is something to be considered.
Of constitutional reform and all of that.
Yeah, but
so I propose on behalf of all the people here in Plowden that some consideration be made for that. And not only for voting, but for persons who are representing the country and they are abroad. Some provision has to be made for them. You know? They are not to be deprived of their rights.
Okay.
Indeed.
Thank you for the call.
Indeed. All the best here from us here in Plowden.
Thank you so much. All right.
Indeed.
Mm-hmm. All right. This is the hotline, 876-926-7615. I believe it's Paula who spoke with Mr. Thompson yesterday about the rain and wind. I'm understanding on Wednesday. Yeah, I haven't got him yet for the people from Plowden. 7615 is 8631. Hello.
Good morning, Mrs. Shea.
Hi. Man from
Blind
Westmoreland?
man from Westmoreland.
Mm-hmm.
But what I ask you now, it come like every year we should have election.
What you get?
I know what I get. I worry. Me they listen to news what the government I don't know. This world for grown broken and all type of thing I get to get bill.
What you call it, blind man grown broken?
Yeah. I mean, they like grown broken. So,
Brokins.
yes. So me they like every year election.
Grown broken down.
Yes, but you know.
Yes.
What want them put in place? Me a blind man machine. You see like how they mark the money?
The money mark, yes.
Right. Then if you mark, build some voting paper where the blind man can feel it and know say this is P and this is J.
Oh, there's nothing now?
No. So when I will go for vote now somebody have to care now everybody can determine who you vote for because if you take a JLP if you carry and go vote for you, then no say a JLP you vote for. And if you take a PNP if you go and go vote for you, then no say a PNP you vote for.
Mm-hmm.
But we are a blind person who are going to do everything privately too.
Yes.
So then we consider that. Me no son say me no there for next 5 or 6 years when they're ready again because me can drop out anytime. But me only make a suggestion for now.
No, I'm surprised that it is not readable to the blind.
Okay.
I didn't know.
From when me ask Mr. Tufton say me want, me I beg him help to go do my test. Tell him say he can't promise Duppy pumpkin and rice and they look for you know.
You feed Duppy pumpkin and rice?
Me saying cannot promise them that as they're looking for it.
No, yes, but may I ask you if you ever feed Duppy pumpkin and rice?
I'm 61 now and I heard it from many elder.
Okay, so you're talking parable now, so you mustn't make promise when you not keep.
Right, so when he come and remind him, because me get a call from the office still, but when they tell me say I will get a call and whatever, it's like a forever. I'm there to struggle with it same way.
Mm-hmm.
But congratulations on your awards. So you get awards, so you don't get no reward.
My reward is in heaven.
Yeah. But the way you're dead, you get reward.
Yes.
You're dead.
Yeah, death is not really a bad thing, you know. It's no, it is existing in another realm where you feel no pain, no tears, especially depending on the life you live now. So I'm not afraid of dying.
Okay. Then.
Not afraid of dying. I'm preparing my way, as you should yours. You can't want to heaven and no one dead. It's only Elijah that was caught up and Enoch, I think.
Okay,
and this is not Enoch Trace.
You only put out so make the government know say anytime in next election come, make sure say we can go to one. We put a initial on it too and update upon it that we can know if we do.
Yes.
I want to know like coming up on the party and I want in the government election. Feel like when doing a COVID, you couldn't put $110,000 upon each one of the thing and make me feel like say in go with something tough find the broke ground so warm to we in country.
I thought they had this $20,000 thing for people who are not on path and have not benefited from previous thing.
Yep.
You don't get any?
No, but no, sir, me the pan part.
Okay, you're the pan part, so you wouldn't.
So me say why you put one extra pan, one extra 10 tons, but we can know say when voting time comes, say why the primes are in touch so that's what we can do for him. But if they're not touch them alone, let them alone, let smile all the way. So me say if you no vote unless I me the pan the ballot paper, you know.
Oh. So who can nominate you?
So, like some banana nominate me, that's all who want to nominate, who they want to nominate. Then go and go vote for them then for me not nominate nobody.
Mm-hmm. You're lucky.
And if I know me the point, me not vote for myself, me vote for this guy. So anything, anytime me vote, make sure it's say, with the envelope put up well, it can hold in my pants pocket.
You mustn't wish to sell your vote though, you know. Because that sounds like is what you want to do. Not only is it illegal, but in the long run, you're not better off if it's still you want to sell. Because money soon done and things might not happen. So think again about that. God bless you. Thank you for the call.
All right then, take care.
All right. 926-7615. Hello?
Tell sister Wagwan.
Not a thing, sir.
Wagwan.
Me there.
Me glad. You know say you there, man.
Mm-hmm.
I go change your name and call you Tanya.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Happy. Put Happy in front of it. First name, Happy.
Yes, man. Happy, yes. Good, yes. That's a good name, Happy.
Happy, Happy.
You know, say most district, everybody, somebody did name Happy, you know.
No, Happy, me say, Happy. Happy.
Oh, they not Happy, me say?
No, Fee.
Okay.
Happy, Tanya.
Yeah, man. Congratulate you on your award, man. You know, this sorry how nobody said that you forget one too.
Mm-hmm. I think it's Heroes Day in October, so you can come up Heroes Day in October if you go follow me.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So me there, I plan to hold a pumpkin. The rainfall yesterday, I never know say it I got up.
Every day they plant pumpkin.
So, God, let me know Highland to plant him. The best time to plant pumpkin seed August month, you know.
Oh.
When you plant pumpkin seed August month, you know, you get all 4 crop of height before you jump, you know.
Mm.
You never know that?
No, and you say it's how long before you reap after you plant? About 4 months?
Yeah, no, 8 months. No, 8 months time.
Oh, 8 months, you say?
8 months time pumpkin takes to come in, man.
Oh, so 8 3 is 24. It can last, the pumpkin vine last about 2 years?
No, in our Tansola.
Then you know, say you can reap it 3 times.
Then 3 times I go take 4 years.
2 years, 2.
2 years. Okay, yeah, man. Yes. 30.
Mm-hmm.
Me there, but me no bad about yesterday, you know me. Mother-in-law then drop out a hiberna.
Mm-hmm. Your mother-in-law drop out?
Drop out a hiberna, yeah, man.
What's hiberna?
Hiberna, when you go through Christian and go through Christian Ashod, you go hiberna.
Oh, so she lived there?
Yeah, man, you live a hiberna.
Okay, and she's now died?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Original hotline listener, you know, foundation hotline listener, you know, Bernie senior, man. Foundation, nobody can touch that, the woman read up her jar, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Can't touch your radio. If you touch your radio, fling in ticket at you.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so it is.
But we say condolence to him family still, you know.
Yes.
Satan, Father God know everything, this, you know, Satan.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but me did yesterday, I hear you still, but to me being busy, me and then girl run up and down by place. But
yeah, you start.
I forward back like even now as them come in late to the rainfall.
You start run up and down already?
Yeah, then me not have to go then in that them young, you know, they not so old, you know, so me not have to stand side of them.
Okay.
They love me like how Jesus love little children, you know, man.
Mm-hmm. Very much.
Yes, man. They love me, man.
Mm-hmm.
So big up me school of them to me and DT them and big up all of me hotline listener them right across the whole university, yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
Me don't feel so good enough for me being fall down, but me not so bad.
You did they run up and down.
Yeah, them me not still have to move me shield, them me not still have to move, man. Me not have to move. Then me can't just lay down so and just seize up myself. So me not have to get myself frisky.
How much time you go fall down though?
Me not directly say as somebody drink out of the bottle and put it down on the stone, you know, and me have out of shop now. And I pay no attention.
Mm-hmm.
And me so bad luck it that the foot now. The foot should have tape on one different place, but you know tape on the buckle. The way me I go do.
So this a foot you tape on salt, it tape on buckle, water foot salt.
Yes, it's salt, a salt foot.
Foot no have no sense though, you know.
But I saw it on, a salt foot, but I say you go.
You have to watch where you're going. God bless you. Have a good weekend.
Yeah, man, all the best. Take care, church sister, next week.
All right.
Yeah, man, bless up.
Hotline. We're supposed to be having on the pulse at this time, but we're trying to finalize to confirm whether that is on in light of the season and what may be happening elsewhere. All right. Until such time. 876-926-2178. 9268631, 9267615, 888-99120. 2178. Hello, morning.
Good morning, Shields. How are you today, ma'am?
I'm very well, thank you. And you?
Well, I'm just trying to hang in there and put the best outside.
Yes. It's not a bad thing to do. Who is this?
Zimbabwe.
Yes, welcome.
I hear Walking Shop was talking about pumpkin for 9 months. I don't understand it.
8.
I 8 months. We don't say 3, but we don't want some other pumpkin seed there.
How long you think it takes?
3 months pumpkin start there, man.
From planting to maturity, 3 months?
Yeah.
But why you want the one for 8 then?
Well, that one must be a good one, so, so we don't know that one there, you know?
But 3 months sound short, man.
Eh?
3 months sound really short to me.
No, man, 3 month pumpkin ready. That be a whole of fruits.
You're quite right. You're quite right. It is a fruit.
Yes, yes. What me says?
Why you say it's a fruit?
Well, fruits bear just like that above the earth, eh?
I don't think that is what makes it a fruit. I think it is because it has seeds.
Oh, seeds?
Yes, I think that's what makes it a fruit, they say.
Okay, yes, could be.
Could be, but that's fascinating. I never even thought about it.
Yes. Well, Mrs. Shields, I called you short this morning. I tried to get you last week. You know something? You see, this country, Mrs. Shields, is a very nice country. I love Jamaica. And if we could have just stitched together and do what is right, it would be a wonderful country. And let me tell you this, Michelle, I have a wild dream recently about the two parties. And I dreamed that Mr. Holness is going to win by 4 votes. I see a 4 feet gap between both of them. And
4 seats.
I see a 4 feet gap, right?
4 feet. No,
4 feet.
4 feet gap, you see, okay.
Gap, yeah. But I would just say 4 win by 4 votes.
4 seats.
No, man. 4 votes in win over the PNP. So me dream it.
Can't be 4 votes, Zimbabwe. 4 votes, none do nothing. Must be 4 seats, 4 constituencies.
4 seats, yes, 4 seats. Yes, and I believe that this Prime Minister is going to get bonus. Not monetary, you know, but more time to serve. And I realize that Jamaica problem why need at least 6 terms with one person to fix.
How you come to that?
I went to Cornwall Regional Hospital this morning to get some medication. And let me tell you something, a first class up there. First class up there compared to some places where we go out over the world. What people that get medication and get looked after of hospitality is shocking. And I say to this, let us build on what we have, don't tear down what we have.
Yes,
you see, for the buses, right now I'm going to sell the vehicle we have. Once we get the right timetable and find, say, it going past my way the time when me travel, I am going to sell my vehicle. Because it will be less pollution in the country when we sell my vehicle and use the yellow bus. It's one of the best things I ever see happen to Jamaica. I wish these was around when I was going to school, Mrs. Shields.
I don't think there's so much of an issue with the buses. Perhaps in some areas because of the size. In fact, I don't know if they are bigger than the Blue Danube buses that used to run in parts of rural Jamaica where I'm from. But there's no doubt that I think overall, certainly the general public believe a system of this nature is necessary. They hold a different view about the cost. And that is something that the interpretation, it just differs from person to person. Yeah, even you talk about Cornwall, some people, I have people who call this program and who are quite upset with the length of time it has taken for Cornwall Regional to be handed over. And I can't fault that sort of reasoning, even though I understand why there has been this long delay based on the discoveries that were made along the way. But such is the nature of the democracy in Zimbabwe. Everybody see the thing and read it differently.
Yes, because I am looking at safety. And these buses, for me, safety devices, safety is very important to me, and leave on time to go where you want to go. So, for instance, I am going to the embassy. Me leave from 2 o'clock in the night, right? To get here on time. If I am going on these buses, once the timetable is right, them a bus that I want to drive on. And let me tell you something, I never know so I saw the bus then young. I don't book up on one friend where young like the bus. Everybody may book up on a 30-year-old, 40, 60, and over. Me understand some of the bus are 8-year-old. I don't know so I saw them young.
Well, so it is.
Yeah, man, it's a very, 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 very good thing.
Which constituency are you in?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm in St. James.
This is who is
St. James.
Okay, so this is Homer.
Yes. You see Mr. Homer Davis?
Mm-hmm.
That's an MP without border.
But that
man working. And let me tell you, Michelle, you never can do so much.
But that is not a traditionally strong JLP seat, no?
No, but I mean the work that you do, and as me say, based on how me see the thing, I mean, don't follow the politics too much.
Mm-hmm.
Me go by policies, and once you come in one area and you start to do the work, because, and in fact, I don't even have to know my MP. I don't even have to interface with my MP or my councillor, and I don't watch what they say. I watch what they do.
Mm-hmm.
That is more important to me, right? Because
so you have you met Miss Burchell?
Never. I hear about her, but I never really met her because she's up in them Garland side, you know. But I hear she's a nice lady.
Yes.
Yes.
She's
but let me tell you this:
mm-hmm.
Homer Davis is a MP without border.
That's how MPs are supposed to be, though.
And you can't fix everything, and that's why I say to people, we have to do our part. You can't take up your garbage and just throw it on sidewalk and expect government to find money to pay people to come clean it up. You put out your garbage properly for it to take up. You can't just check up back and just throw in at the gully and expect government to find money to clean gully, and you name they pay $1 tax. Mm-hmm. Where it is going to come from? 70% not even paying property taxes. And that's why I said the government must quickly do the reform in tax, the taxes business for people to get title and time and all those things. 100 years you have to be waiting on title. Right now, I am waiting on an instrument of peace from the National Land Agency going nearly 50 years, right? Mistake that they make. Them fail to honor it and to have it change, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the ego to carry it out as if they're right and they're wrong. Because them print the title give a gentleman who live in Kingston, and I'm on the land for over 40 odd years, and my parents on it over 50 odd, right? That's 100 and odd.
Yeah, but you don't. Okay. So, and then somebody else come on the title. When?
Then somebody else come on the title and the paperwork that shows that person in position. Wearing up till today, they may have the position of it with my livestock them. So something is wrong.
No.
And they fail to come and fix it.
No, I don't know. You can make application to the court, Zimbabwe. Because sometimes people whose name are on title, they decide to sell land even though they've not paid any attention to the land. in years upon years upon years after people dispossess them of the ownership. And then them turn around and say them sell the land to somebody and new name come on the title, but that title holder...
Not bad.
That title holder cannot take the land because it is subject to your interest and you've dispossessed the owner, the title owner of it. So sometimes it's court action that has to be taken. That is not something that the land agency can rectify by itself. An application needs to be made to court to say that this person should not have been recorded as the title holder of the interest in the land because I had dispossessed whoever the owner was from whichever year you said your time run having lived on the land. That's how it has to happen. It's not a land agency thing that they can simply sort out. But I've got to go Zimbabwe. Thank you. Morning.
Well, Emmanuel, I still
that tune they come good for you. Lazarus.
I tell you, heavy.
Mash it up in a Zimbabwe.
Yes. Honorable, good personality.
You tune that.
Oh, what tune? Say that make me hear.
Oh, what tune that?
Yes.
Nati Mashitina. Zimbabwe.
All right, Star Empress. Yes, but me I say, we are star, we need to shine bright. Brighter than how we are shine. In our Africanness. Yeah? In our blackness. We come aware. Yeah? We make these two political parties have so after Rastafari and Gya become educated to know. Yeah? So a black consciousness of ourselves. Because these two are the song we just play say, them divide and rule. Yeah? Divide and rule we as a people. Look on the big gun gala where them keep up. I celebrate 60 years a white king. 63 years of ruling of a white king in Jamaica.
Yes,
in
but
government.
We've been every day may you have this conversation. We started the process of constitutional reform to change it, and that has been completely derailed.
We who?
We Jamaica.
Not Jamaica. People who serve at King Charles' pleasure, not we the people. Not we the people. Everything we see are going a people who serve in a King Charles government. I do that, you know.
Yeah, they are only in name only. I tell you already that King Charles cannot impact anything that goes on in this country, even though he is the head of state represented by the GG. He cannot sign, he cannot refuse, he cannot, in fact, he doesn't sign our laws. His representative sign, but the representative cannot refuse to sign any law that is passed by the parliament, the lower house, and the upper house. He cannot refuse.
Because him have him prime minister, him current prime minister, Andrew Holness, to do that, you know?
Who?
Andrew Holness running government. You know the difference between an absolute monarchy and a constitutional monarchy? Let me tell the world. A constitutional monarchy like Jamaica, yeah. The monarch rule with a government, a cabinet, you know? Which currently...
And the constitution is supreme.
And
the constitution is supreme.
Then the constitution, not the monarch, man.
No.
I am going it, you know. Are we black people writing the constitution in this judgment, yeah? Are we writing the constitution in a Jamaica, yeah? Yeah?
Well...
Everything where we get, everything we want to have and vote for. These two politics, like how you lie, I know, my honorable sister. More, if you carry them two political leaders, I know. We send out a country with a black population. 63 years back under King Charles ruling after we come from emancipation and chain come off our foot. 1962, then carry back under these people. These two political parties, and you can't see yourself. These two set of devil in this judgment that we divide with. In a PMP and Labour and rob of our black identity.
I'm not robbed of my black identity.
Yeah, counting on Labour right and PMP and Africa.
No, we have a right to choose. The ability to choose is a powerful ability. Yeah? You choose. If you want to call them evil, you choose. And in fact, you have a right not to choose any. You have a right not to vote.
That's why I love my father, I know. The black Messiah. Hear what him say no. The first rule up on earth. The black Messiah. You hear him say no. Him said today, him said life and death before us. And you have to choose, you know. But here are the good shepherds, you know. Him said choose life that we might have it and have it more abundantly. He could have left it at that, you know. And make you choose either where you want. But him tell you the right thing. If you choose. Him said choose life that we could have it and have it more abundantly. You know? So let us freely make him our choice, you know? The man said, do not delay but come. Make us freely make Marcus Garvey and Rastafari philosophy our choice, you know? Join the force against imperialism and colonialism, Jamaica ruling, you know? With slavery and the real man of evil and these judgment people who black like a tar, you know? I serve.
Yes. All right.
Government. Hurry up and get us out of this place in this judgment, earthquake, lightning, and thunder in a corrupt and society. And that we are dealing with freedom, redemption, international repatriation.
Bless you.
AU, African Union. You know? When we sit on themselves in a puppet and carry come talk about trade. Trade for Africa to Jamaica. We have everything in Africa already in this judgment. Send we home about trade. We do not general shape. We want to take the wealth and resources where they in Africa can come build up the Caribbean, the West Indies. Indian land this, that's why I name West Indies. Oh, not so much education and we could do wicked among to self. Everything when we attack in our world is straight.
All right.
World. So make we turn.
All right.
Turn. Israelite turn. Why won't you turn? Sin? Turn for our heart.
Blessings.
You know? Turn to Africa. Africa the king where we want.
All right.
Two political leaders lead you astray. You couldn't get no progress out of X, you know? Because you go to school and get X for wrong already, you know? So you come and double down, you know, come mark X to some little guys and look progress.
All right. But Lazarus, what a way we turn around X? You tell me to turn. You know, so say I return around X because X used to be wrong. But when we make X with the ballot now, that means I write it right. So right round to your turn.
And see the white men are brainwash you and trick you all the time. Make ever wrong.
Have a great weekend. You know, I've been contemplating this dream that Zimbabwe said he's had. It is not possible in the current configuration. May I work it from him mention it. It is not possible for any party to win by 4 seats. It is not mathematically possible. If anybody think it possible, let me know. I'm trying to work it to see what would one need to get and what would the other need to get for one to win by 4. And I can't work it. So if I take 4 from 63, that leave 59. 59. So sometimes I can't give my head some problem, you see, man. 59 divided by 2. That is 29.5. And you can't have 0.5. So if you round it up to 30, if one get 30 plus 4, that take it up to 34. If one gets 34, the other has to get 29. So that means it is a difference of 5. Or if one gets 32, one gets 31, that's a difference of 1. If one gets 33, the other gets 30, that's a difference of 3. 34 we work already gives 29, that's a difference of 5. 35 If one gets 35 and the other get 28, that's a difference of 7. That's so? So, you can't have a 4-seat difference in a 63-member parliament. So, Dream, wrong. Wrong number, mathematically wrong. Unless we're going to have a moment, Solomon moment, where the two, you remember the story about the 2 women? They had babies and one of the babies dead. And another lady, one baby dead, one baby survived. And Solomon was called upon to decide a full baby. And the wisdom that he was blessed with, he said, okay, let's cut the surviving baby in half. And the mother whose child it wasn't agreed. And the other one whose child it was said, no, let her have it. And there ended the mystery. It's not possible. Not by my calculation. If anybody has it before the break, let me know. Can there be a 4-seat majority?
I would love to have a word on the program there.
You're on the program quickly. Who is this?
This is Honorable Priest Moran.
Turn your radio down and come, Priest Morant. I have a minute before the headlines.
You're on the program quickly. Who is this? Turn on that driver. Yes. Turn your radio down.
It's still very noisy. Still very noisy, Priest Morant. I want to hear him. Him sound like in the one bus. Priest Morant?
Yes, Empress.
Yes.
Yes, I would love to strengthen Priest Lazarus, what he was saying, because this is the Ethiopia Africa Black International Congress.
Yes.
Yes, in 10 Mile Bull Bay, by our leader, President guaranteeing the Black Christ, King Emmanuel Charles Edward. And what I am concerned about is emancipation is more significant than independence. And they put the Jamaica government and the people place more emphasis on independence more than emancipation. And emancipation means repatriation, freedom. And independence means pen up, captivity.
Really?
Pen up. So how could the people place more emphasis on the government, place more emphasis on being penned up under King Charles than being free?
I've got to go to the headlines. Can you hold? Or call me right back. I've got to go to the headlines, Priest. Thank you so much for that. Headlines time.
This time signal is brought to you by...
You're now listening to Emily Shields Talk with Substance on Hotline. Radio Jamaica, active for the good of our nation.
Thank you, listeners. We're back with you on the hotline. Yes, Zimbabwe. I don't think it is mathematically possible. And Rick So Cool has sent me a caveat, which is important. Unless somebody wins as an independent. Is that likely? But if the winner's independent, then you could get the numbers where the one party has 4 more seats than the party that's closest to the winning party, and you could have 1 independent in the parliament. But it's not mathematically possible where you have an odd number of seats, as we do know with 63, for the winner to win by an even number. And we should have worked that from a long time, because there are some interesting rules about even number and odd numbers. Yeah. Anyway, man from Plowden, we've got a contact for a representative of the National Meteorological Center to see if we can get some answers about what does not go on down your side in Plowden. I wish we had his number. Do we have a contact for the man from Plowden? Yes, when we get the person from Met Office, let us connect him so that he can put the specific issues to the Met Office representative, because they've lost confidence in the Met Office, they say, and I'd really love the Met Office to clarify why things are so off for the people in Plowden and other parts closely located. 876-926-7615. I'm so sorry, Priest Morant, I had to break you because I was coming up on the headlines. I do hope you'll find the time to call me again about the Ethiopian African Black National Congress. And he said it's headed by King Emmanuel Charles Edwards. Yeah. 876-926-7615. Hello.
Hi, good morning, Miss Emily.
How are you?
It's been about 2 years now since I don't speak with you.
Who is this?
I'm Arsenal, man.
Okay. We lost party.
Very long time, man. Try my best to get you, I can't get you.
I saying to you, we lost party, and party has been charged with all sorts.
Oh, boy.
Thomas, and I really liked him, you know.
Yeah, he's a good baller, yes.
Really liked him, yes.
Yeah, but unfortunately, things happen, you know.
Yes, innocent until proven guilty too. What go on?
Yeah, I'm here, you know. Enjoying the little weather. We have rain and sunshine. Yeah, so, question. I'm going to ask you a question. Oh, congratulations on your upcoming award. You and Dr. T.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes. What do you think about the buses, the school buses? What do you take? What's your take on it?
I think I've given my views. Let me hear yours.
All right. You want to hear my take, right?
Yes.
All right. I believe in transport for the students, right? But what does the commission mean? Let us ask you that first.
What does decommission mean?
Yes.
They'd pull them out of that system with the intention to have them replaced.
All right. So we here in Jamaica moving to first world. We want to step up our game. We don't want to left behind, right?
Yes.
So I don't believe we should take up those type of bus. I believe in transporting, but the type of buses that we brought in, there's going to be a problem, you know. It's not a political talk I'm making, to make that clear. Right?
It actually doesn't matter if you're making a political argument, you know. It's your right.
People will think that.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It is your right to make whatever argument you want to make. So go ahead. Yes.
So yes, I believe we should have gone for something different, more modern. I know Jamaican children, you know, there's going to be a problem taking those vehicles.
Why?
Because, Miss Shields, I am on the road enough of the time. These children we have in Jamaica, some of them not going to take those buses.
Why?
Because them all look on them and say, oh, me not take them bus. Them are go in and feed them bus where them used to, with music, with everything.
If the children do that, then that's a matter for the children and their parents.
Right.
But does it mean that the buses, because of their age, they are not going to be able to transport students safely to school?
They can transport the children them safely, Michelle. Right? But there is a but here. The type of buses that they brought in, I don't think they're fit for Jamaica.
Why?
Like that. Because, all right, the amount of money that we pay for them and the amount of money we're going to pay for move the door and put it on the other side.
How much we pay for them?
I don't quite remember. I don't want to say here and I don't.
Yes, but you're raising the issue of cost. So what is the cost you heard?
As I said before, I don't want to say a figure. I don't remember the figure right now.
I understand. I believe 1.4 billion.
For one?
No.
For it, all of them?
Yes, for the fleet.
Okay. So if we go for some coaster bus.
And no, I had the minister here yesterday. How I understand this business, and I leave you to your right to choose.
Mm-hmm.
It is true that the buses were decommissioned in the US, but the average age is between 8 and 10 years. When I listened some weeks ago to the broadcast that the minister attended, but more importantly, before the minister, I think there was a man named Troop, who spoke at the press conference. And let me take a break. Hold on.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The following is paid for by the People's National Party.
All across this country, I see it in your eyes. The frustration, the fatigue, the feeling that we've been promised a better life, prosperity, but left standing in the same place or moving backwards. You've been governed by a crew that is focused more on public relations than on serving the people. Billions have gone, hospitals unfinished, schools overcrowded, and people struggling every day to buy food, to pay bills, while the ministers get richer with the big pay rise that Andrew Holness engineered and Nigel Clark executed. That is not leadership. That is exploitation. Dignity should never be a privilege. It should be a right. What is about to occur is not just another election. It is a turning point in the history of this country. It is a moment for us to decide what kind of country we want to live in and what kind of leadership we deserve. I don't come to you with a big ego. I come to you with experience as a lawyer, as a business person, as a legislator, as a minister of government, and as a leader of the biggest and most powerful political movement in the English-speaking Caribbean, the People's National Party. Under the People's National Party government, which I will lead, we will have the first in family scholarship program, where any child who is the first in their family to qualify for university and college will get a full scholarship paid for by the government of the People's National Party. And we know that many young people who have worked so hard to get themselves to a better place want to have their own house where they can live. But the deposit is a huge hurdle that many can't afford. That is why we are going to implement the Young Persons Deposit Fund in the National Housing Trust. Any young person up to 35 years old, if they have been contributing to the trust for over 2 years, they will be entitled to a deposit grant. Free money, $500,000 to pay down on their house. We know that when we do that, there will be tremendous demand for affordable housing. And that is why the next People's National Party government is committed to building 50,000 affordable homes for Jamaicans, at least 500 in each constituency, $1 billion a year to support persons with disabilities to have full access to the society that they have a right to be part of and have a potential to help build, whether it be accessibility issues, technology, or other matters like that, sidewalks so them can go up on it on them wheelchairs safely. The next PNP government will be a caring government for the people. Time come for honesty. Time come for decency. Time come for leadership that cares, that listens, and that delivers hope for the people. This moment is your moment. This moment is our moment. Andrew can run, but him can't hide. Election must call, because if him don't call it, the Constitution will call it. Saint Anne, are you ready for a PNP government? Are you ready for the four candidates you have? Are you ready for the government led by Iman, Mark Jefferson Golin, the one them call Marky G? You look like you're ready. You sound like you're ready. You feel like you're ready. Power to the people. Power to the people, I say. What?
The proceeding was paid for by the People's National Party.
You're now listening to Emily Shields Talk with Substance on Hotline. Radio Jamaica, active for the good of our nation.
Yes, Arsenal. Arsenal, you there? Have we lost Arsenal? I think we have. 2178. Hello? Don't know why I'm not hearing. 876 926 2178. Hello? Press a button there. DT, it's not some button to press on you. Hello?
Mrs. Shield, morning. How are you?
Not too bad, thank you. I think I lost the gentleman, Arsenal, I was talking with.
His credit run out because of the amount of ads that were taken, Mrs. Shield. How are you
I'm so sorry. I'm very well, thank you. Who is this?
Okay, I don't generally call you, but I call the program regularly.
Who is it?
Steve.
Yes,
from
Steve.
Portmore.
Mm-hmm.
I'm saying this, Mrs. Shield, I'm serious. We don't want any violence in this election. I'm not calling about no politics. We don't want no violence in this election. Those who are violent oriented can go away into the sea and drown themselves. We don't want any violence in this country. Where we kill anybody over no politics. America has 353 million people. And they have their election every 4 years, and they kill nobody over politics. They kill one another at schools and hospitals and in church and all.
Well,
but
I don't know if America has been a good example in the last 8 years.
Hold on, Mrs. Shield. They don't kill anybody over no politics.
You didn't see the insurrection at the White House, the Capitol building?
You're not busy with Trump.
No, forget Trump. A lady was literally shot inside the Capitol building when the thousands marched to try and prevent.
The 6th of January 2020.
2020, yes.
We remember it. But I am saying to our Jamaican people, we have 2012, 2016, 2020, and I am a retired police officer and a justice. We don't want no violence to win no election. We are sensible people. Some of us are not educated for that, but we are grounded and intelligent people to understand who work, who don't work, and what they want. We don't want no violence.
Well said.
So they can take the violence, go where they want to take, and go in a sea, go down themselves. And those who support the violence, they can go with them. The last thing I will say, Mr. Shield, on your program, I want the police to take a stand. Zero tolerance against anybody who come up against any political party and come fire any gun. There are some people in the society that talk from two sides of their mouth. Where violence is concerned, I would call name, but I'll leave that for another time, Mrs. Shield. The police must take us, Mr. Dr. Blake and his team, take a zero tolerance to any person who come up with violence, but they come start it. We have had 3 elections without it. We can do without it.
Which constituency are you in, Steve?
I am in Mr. Miller.
Okay, so that is southeast.
Yes, the Ashford, Mr.
And that is one of the seats where the battle will be hot.
Will be rage. But don't ask me to tell you what.
No, I'm not going to ask you that. I just like to know who is calling.
Yes.
That is Big Rob.
I am a caller
against Dr. Dawes.
For the past 50 odd years from Mr. What his name? Dwight. atmosphere there. This is Blue Down the right to the old. And I listen to all of you on a day-to-day basis. I listen to you, listen to Dr. Taylor, he's my friend. And furthermore, hey, Dr. T, congratulations, may I call you, but you know, answer your phone. Congratulations, Mrs. Shields.
Not answer phone. All right, bless you.
DT will tell you who called when you...
That's fine. That's fine. I appreciate your contribution. All the best to you. Thank you for the caution.
And same to you, Mrs. Shields.
All right, take care.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, morning.
How
Welcome.
are you?
Very well, thank you. And you?
Yes, I'm Winston. I'm calling from Portland.
Welcome.
Yes, Norwich. Right? My road is fixed.
Mm-hmm.
Well, some of the road don't fix, but at least I'm living on the main, so they fix a little.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So I'm calling about this election.
This is it. This is east or west?
This is in Port Antonio.
So this is
Anne-Marie.
east.
Yeah, and Action Anne-Marie.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Yes, I'm calling about this election. First, I disappointed in, oh my God, what's him? Damien. Okay? Damien is my guy, but I disappointed
He was
in
down
him.
there.
Not really, no. I was watching the,
No, he ran down there.
Yes, he ran down here. Ran down here, yes. And I saw he did not come back. I don't mind Isaac, but I saw he did not come back because you need to connect with the people.
Mm-hmm.
And when you connect with the people, as you connect with the people, you have to leave again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? But I am kind of disappointed in him with what he go on with in Alpha Tree. So I hope he's hearing it. You know?
Why are you disappointed?
The government go out on Alpha Tree. He was giving out his pamphlet or whatever work he done. He was giving out and so on. If Damien want to paint a picture, remember that we have some undecided voter, right? You don't have people maybe like me who would have said, okay, I'm a deity, so I don't business what they do, right? You have some people where they don't show what they're going to do, so you have to place a good picture for them to decide what to do.
Mm-hmm.
Say what you're going to do when you win or anything. PMP have some very, very good idea. Go out and build on those ideas. What I hear they have. But I did not like his behavior. Okay?
This is when he went to clean the windshield?
Yes, to offer tree.
It's little gimmicks, you know.
Yeah, I know it was little gimmick. It's my guy, I'm telling you.
Mm-hmm.
But I didn't like it. Right? Because remember, Emily, we have to decide. You have people who don't sure if they want to vote for JLP or PMP.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the people that we're going to try to win.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Whether it's for JLP or PMP, we're going to try to win them. So we have to place a very good picture.
So what do you think he should have brought if he was going to halfway tree?
Go out with this positive thing.
So carry out something to say what they promised to do.
Right, what he promised to do. Mm-hmm. Right? Remember, the Prime Minister go out there, go do what he done.
Mm-hmm.
So he go out and give out his book that you can sit down and read.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? But when he go there like that, he's go there with, that is negative because there is nothing for you to wash car nor something else. But come on, go out with something more positive for the people.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? And I was kind of embarrassed, as I said. Okay? As I said, he is my guy, no problem.
Right.
Right? But when you're wrong, Emily, if you're wrong, I'm going to tell you that you're wrong.
Yes, well, wrong is a matter of perspective.
Yes. I'm going to tell you that you're wrong. Okay? And I'm watching this election.
Yes, tell me how it looked down there. Eastern.
It look okay to me.
It look okay for whom?
For who?
Yes.
Well, I can't really tell you for who now,
Eh?
Honestly, I can't tell you for who. Isaac, remember, is
what him name? Isaac?
What him name? Isaac, whatever his name. I don't sure. Right? The lawyer. But
Isaac.
Yes, he's trying his best. Okay? Yes, he's doing what he... Remember, he don't used to this place.
Mm-hmm.
Right? And one thing I like with him, he tried to go around the community, them, and he tried to what I should say, go out and really go to the people, them.
Yes.
Yes, so he tried to do that.
So you don't get a sense as to what the people think it?
No, I don't get a sense, I don't really 100% get a sense I cannot put on and say, okay, Emily gonna win or Winsome gonna win.
Our beautiful speaking.
Right. I cannot come out with that right now. Oh. Right? But the only thing I can do is encourage the people them to go and vote.
What are the people saying? They think they'll go to vote?
Yes, man.
Oh.
Yeah, man. And PMP want to go out and vote. I don't business about labor, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is how I talk. Yeah.
So you're a PNP supporter?
I am a strictly PNP girl. No hiding behind the bush.
Okay.
Yes, I am one of them.
So it was Purcell Jackson?
Yes, he was.
In the last election?
The last election, yeah. Yeah, last election he was.
But Mrs. Vaz seems to think that she cannot lose that seat.
Well, that is what she thinks. Okay?
What you think?
Listen, I don't tell you. One thing with her, you know, I'm telling you the truth. As a PMP supporter, she is somebody who act with the people, them. You know, she is that type of friendly person and everything, right? Who raps with her people, them.
Yes.
So I don't know, and I would really want PMP to win. We're trying our best to see what we can do.
Yes.
And everything.
So you're coming to Crossroads?
No, I don't follow crowd.
Oh.
Crowd,
no. Crowd of follow you.
I sit and I watch and I pray. And I pray for peace. And one thing where I'm disappointed with Andrew, very much, and I can tell him in front of his face, I don't like how he's drawing out this election. Call election.
He might call it Sunday.
I know I have to call it, as Mark Golin would have said.
You don't have to call it.
Right? Well, if you don't want to call it, keep it and put it in a plate. Yeah. If you don't want to call it, put it in plate. But what I said, him already come out with his smartness already, because I said he get the certificate for smartness. Right? He's very smart. I'm not telling any lie on him. Right? And this EPA ribbon that he's cutting, he do something in Portland where I don't understand up until now, and I don't know how. Nobody talk about it. He said he's going to do a highway, okay? Emily, I sorry say you don't have the time to see where they said they cut the ribbon right there, sir. Right for it. There is nothing. I don't see no road right there. Just where they have there's a swamp and they dump it up and just right there.
Yes, but when the ribbon cut, it's not the same time the road built, Miss Winston.
I know, but I don't see any for there, so I laugh. And I said, this gentleman get all the certificate up a way for smartness. Nobody didn't get it.
You know, so when them did cut the highway through the north-south, where that is now Edward Ziaga, you know how many people say highway can't cut through the mountain there? And look at it now.
Anyway, me don't know if me we dead and gone before.
Yes.
But me would have really liked to see that.
Yes.
Okay?
Thank you.
And as Damien would say, the amount of ribbon that he's cutting, I don't know how the children are going to manage September.
Pure bubbles, them are left in them here.
Bubbles, right? And with the bus that they bring, I don't have a problem with bus, right? Because I love the idea of taking the children them to school, but I still don't believe in I don't know how you're going to buy so much bus and to change the doors them and this for the next side for it to drive, and so I don't think I agree with that. But as I said, I like the idea of
God bless you. Thank you for the call, Miss Winsome.